In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find your zip code on an iPhone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find out your current zip code for any location, and second, I'm going to show you how to properly set up your zip code through your Apple ID country or region settings. For the first method, all that you have to do to find your specific zip code for any location on your iPhone is to use Siri. By using Siri, you can easily and quickly access the zip code for any location that you are currently in. So all that you have to do is ask Siri, what is my zip code? She will respond with the zip code of your current location, and all that you have to do afterwards is note it down. Like I said, this can be done anywhere, and as long as you have location permissions enabled and you ask Siri, what is my zip code, she will specify the current zip code for your location easily. This is the best way to go about finding your zip code on an iPhone. And like I said, for the second option, if you want to properly adjust your zip code for your country or region on your Apple ID or your Apple account, what you have to do instead is go into the settings. In there, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page and you will find the options related to country or region when you go over to your account settings by tapping on your icon. When you select country or region, you can set everything according to your current location. So as you can see on screen, you can change the street, postcode, city, country, phone, etc. As long as you set everything up, through here you will be able to assign a new zip code and you can modify this at any time. Just make sure that you go over to your account settings on the settings for your device and you will be able to alter the zip code at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your zip code on an iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.